Millions of smallholder farmers in Gujarat make critical decisions every season with no reliable data and no expert nearby. In India, farmers face three problems every season. First, price uncertainty. They often sell their crop without knowing which month historically offer better prices and lose income as a result. Second, weather blind decision. Spraying pesticides or harvesting at the wrong time wastes money and can damage the crop. And third, delayed disease detection. Diseases like bacterial blight or curl virus are often noticed only after they have already spread because expert help is not always nearby. These aren't small problems. They directly affect household income for farming facilities. I built Krishi Mitra, farmer's friend, to address all three with one simple AI assistant. Now, the question is, why AI agents? Agents instead of one generic chatbot? Because each of this problem needs a completely different kind of reasoning. Price trends need structured data analysis. Weather needs live API call interpreted into advice. Disease detection needs multimodal vision reasoning on a photo. So I built a multi-agent system, one coordinator agent that understands what the farmer is asking, and three specialist sub-agents, each narrowly focused and reliable, that the coordinator delegates to. It's like a front desk routing you to the right expert. Now, here is the architecture. The coordinator agent built with Google Agent Development Kit routes to three sub-agents. First one, market price agent connect to a real MCP server I built, which queries a processed dataset from a public Kaggle source. Over 7,000 verified price records across 23 Gujarat districts. The weather agent connects to a second MCP server, calling the Open Weather Map API live for 10 Gujarat districts. The crop health agent uses Gemini Vision directly. A farmer uploads a cotton leaf photo and it's classified into one of four grounded against a real, verified Kaggle cotton disease dataset. Every agent is honest about its limits. Price data is historical, not live, and the disease detection is cotton only. Since I could not verify good groundnut data, I would be rather accurate than impressive. Let me show it running. Here is the Streamlit interface. The market price agent responds with real data, average price and which months historically shows the best prices. And here, if I upload the photo of cotton leaf, the crop health agent uses Gemini Vision to analyze it and gives a plain language assessment without ever recommending specific pesticide brands. It points the farmer to their local agricultural officer instead, which was an intentional safety decision. I can also ask a combined question and the coordinator delegates to multiple agents at once and combines the answer. I built this with Google Agent Development Kit for multi-agent orchestrations, two real MCP servers for tool access, and Gemini for reasoning and vision. The full code, architecture documentation, and setup instructions are public on GitHub. Before writing any agent code, I verified the actual Kaggle dataset contained real cotton and groundnut data rather than assuming. That mattered to me because I wanted this project to be genuinely trustworthy, not just polished.